Hello everybody, this is Protaka. Welcome back to another video. And today we are again gonna do this. So today my goal is to do these. These are if, elif, and then if, elif, and I need to click. What I'm doing right now. I don't really need a marker right now. This is annoying. Okay. Like that. Yeah, it's fine now. Okay. At first I want to do if, elif, and then else. And then if condition, then this contract will start, and then there will be a block of statements, and then after that there will be elif, condition, and curly brackets, and then a block will again start, and again there will be else, then block of statements, and then the curly brackets. So that's basically it. And another thing I want to add here is function. I really want to add this, so I'm adding this right now. So without any delay, I'm guessing I can get into programming. And I've changed my microphone setup so that you can understand me properly. So yeah, let's just get into programming. Okay, so I can forward my new hotkey. So yeah, this is the program here. So I actually made this to be able to compile here. So I'm actually going to erase this. We don't really need that right now. And I was doing some testing, some stuff. So the if is really pretty straightforward here. All I need to do is create an else if with instr $, and then if, then $, is equal to replace $, with this and this, because I don't want the curly brackets to be there, and I also need to take then there, because in cubic folder is then in the end of the statement. So now let's print number 2 $, and let's see what happens here. If everything else will be the same, and I want to keep on adding stuff like elif, and elif will have to get to the top than if, because elif contains if. So yeah, I hope you understand what I'm saying. Elif contains if, and instr actually detects if there is or not something in oh, okay, there is or not in the thing in the string. So it will be helpful if I actually get that instead of using less $, which will not be able to indent anything. So yeah, it was just replace $, $, place $, this with this, and then print number 2 $, and then again let's add an if block there. Str $, else, then $, equal to replace $, again that mistake, and then this with this, and print number 2 $. Okay, so this will work, but I need to do one more thing here. Like we did with the for loops, I need to do this equal to elif, and don't really need that for if, and or do I? Yeah, I'm gonna do that, and are equal to else, and if equal to if. Okay, so I don't really want these here. There's no reason I don't. Because if we actually intended, then that will be troublesome. So I'm just gonna remove them from there. Else if $, equal to if, then print number 2 end if. So I'm getting this worked. So let me just open the text file. And I actually did some testing here, so there is some stuff here. So now let me make a new program. So let's declare a as 1, and if a equal to 1, this, and then println the value of a is 1. Elif, inside of if a equal to 2, we println the value of a is 2. I probably shouldn't have included those brackets there. Brackets, sorry. Yeah, I could not have that. Okay. So, yeah. And after that, else block. And println the value of a is something else. Let's see how this goes now. That program must be executed. And we'll think you actually saw what I did there. Oh my goodness, okay, so here's the code. I'm probably going to call it there because I actually zoomed in the OBS thing, and it probably didn't show you. Just leave that there, and it's gonna open now. Let's see what it did. No, you wanted BAS. And there is an ELIF. What happened here? I think, yeah, I forgot to actually remove the ELIF from there. So now I want to do this. $L equal to replace $L ELIF with ELSES. Now this is the proper use of the replace dollar function. And let's now see what happens now. And that's still ELIF. Okay. Why is it not replacing it? I need to deal with this in a different approach. So I'm just going to do this. Else if plus write $L len $L minus the length of ELIF, which will be 4, and this could work now. Okay, let's see. Else if and then bracket. Okay, I forgot to add that. Like there are so many little mistakes up here, like you cannot even imagine this. Plus then, and now after this is a proper programming language. And yeah, let's see what happens now. And I found one problem here, which is that it got 3 endifs. which is easily copyable in my case. So I want to do this. After it has done this, like for here, and I want to clear out this. So now nested loop is possible. I think I could probably test it out. I was thinking about the reason why it didn't happen, and I think this is the reason why it actually didn't happen. So let's now open this, and there we go. Now that's something else, and this program is now working perfectly. And now let's get into the next thing here, which will be so yeah, let me just over here. So yeah, now this thing called function in like every programming language, and the function will actually allow you to do many more things, but not many more things in my programming language here. But still, it will be like it will now feel like a real programming language here. So the syntax is here. So FNT, meaning it will be converting the function, the name of the function, and then the parameters. Currently no argument. It is really possible in cubic for anyway. But and then come curly bracket and then block of statements. Pretty self-explanatory. Let me just put an example here. It will be FNT come with two parameters a, b, and here so and something like not it will be f u equals to a plus b. Pretty self-explanatory here. So yeah, let's get into the coding now. I think we're really not going too much. Okay, and so yeah, let's just get into the coding now. And let's just go in here. Okay, and go. Not luck here. So now this will be actually here. What we'll actually do here is actually create another else if block str $, and then infinity, then $, equal to replace $, this to this, and nothing other than that. Okay, so and then let's print number 2, write $, $, len $, minus funct, okay, fine, and nothing plus, and $, is equal to funct. Cool. Yes. Okay, so now else if $, is equal to funct, then print number 2 and what in function. Okay, this is done, pretty much done. Okay, so now let's try out a very simple program here, and I want to add one more syntax here. We'll get into that in a bit. Now let's declare a equals sum a b, and of course there won't be like a magical function that declares sum here, so we don't need to declare that, and bring an a funct sum funct sum a equals b and b, and then I actually added 1, 3. I don't know why I did that, but still sum equals a plus b. Nice. see what actually happened. Alright, let's see what it did. Default purposely, I'm very happy. Okay, I forgot to add function. Like these problems, like this bug, they are already been, they piss me out like crazy. So now this will work. It would be easy if I could define something like in C++, like that would be like really easy. And let's reload that. Good. And now the one more function I was talking about here is the clear function. And else if no, I need to do this here. I just need to do this. I just need to, before I close the program, I need to print number 2 fnct clear number 2 ELF. I can redo this here. Or can I? No, I can't. So let's just get this and this will be a function if you don't know. Clear then print number 2 ELF. So again, thank you for watching, and if you didn't enjoy the video, then please do leave a like. I've been working with applicator, so thank you for watching. I've been recording for 7 minutes, pretty good length, and so goodbye.